For game number 1 of the finals between NU and UST. For the Lady Bulldogs, starting off is Lams Lamina, Alexa Mata, Chamcha Maaya, Vangeline Sog, Celine Marsh, Pat Salazar, and their starting libero is Shaira Hardio. For UST, Cassie Carvalho, Avril Braun, Marga Altea, Angge Poyo, Sai Zagula, Julia Balingit, and the team captain will be their starting libero as well, Det Pepito of National University. Cassie to Marga Altea, who converts from the middle. Ay, yung magiging tema dito for these two squads as Angge Poyo tries for that attack. Lamina will just send it over, free ball for UST. Cassie Carvalho, running attack. Altea gets set to go.
Altea with back she got from their previous match. She's still bringing it in here in their game against the NU Bulldogs.
And she was able to stifle
for the Lady Bulldogs.
Alexa Mata, nandun yung depensa ni Angge Poyos. Balingit. Salazar from the left pin. And
going through the blockers.
Tugayar, what do you think is going to be key?
Found the home she was looking for in UST, because the transition from going to Japan, but now Braun bringing in the block.
Inside the Rizal Memorial Coliseum, this block brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now.
Coach Shaq really worked on having.
Maaya had to adjust to that set. From the pipe, Poyos was sent back by Chamcha Maaya. This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now.
Looking back in her rookie days, she saw that as a learning ground wherein she is capable of making mistakes for her growth as an individual. But now Angge is only...
She's growing into such a reliable player for UST.
Pounding it in, Sai Zagula. This spike is brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now.
But you gotta credit Carvalho with that set.
The past couple of games for Uste. Mata, gustong bumawi. Poyo sa bandang kaliwa. Celine Marsh desperately tried to keep that ball alive, but to no.
Poyo, so much explosiveness.
UST 20s. Alinsog from the right pin. Much needed point for
good pass.
Balingit. Pepito was there for the retrieval.
Marsh saw that.
Sa kabila, Poyos puts it in.
Pretty late with that net defense.
Yeah.
And she was already far, actually.
Naunahan agad siya doon.
From representing the country to SSL Finals, she said that it comes with big expectations, but she's approaching the game with the same humility and mindset as with every other match. Naikwento nga rin.
Arlene Wahe bumps it up to Angge Poyos. Babalik sa UST. Ang bola dito. Poyo susubok ulit. Sa kabila pumunta. And Rejurado almost got it in.
Second pancake of the match by Hardio. And that... What a save by Hardio.
And we have the first timeout requested by Coach Jack de Los Santos. Sai Zagula diving in was Shaira Hardio. UST with another chance. Cassie tried to target that right corner.
Good save by Hardio.
High ball galing kay Alinsog. UST will reset their offense. Poyos and Pepito colliding momentarily there. Chamcha Maaya taking advantage. This full play is brought to you by RNB Milk Tea. Order now.
Ball was too close to the net, but Lamina made a way to set that.
Now at the service line. Nice pass from Sai Zagula. Siya kinapapalo. Chamcha Maaya. Say it with your anticipate what Sai Zagula wanted to do on that trip. Avril Braun drills that one home.
And that's what happens.
Look at this picturesque set. And the cross-court hit galing kay Avril Braun, and UST dominating as they win it over NU 25-15. Set number 2 underway, brought to you by Shakey's. From era to era to era, the fun keeps rolling. 50 years of fun, family, and pizza at Shakey's. All to play rules still in effect. Reg Jurado, this is where she gets to work. Now joining NU. Oh! And for this unit to perform, given that they're trailing here and they want to even things up here in the second set. Fernandez was denied that time by NU.
Much needed for the Lady Bulldogs.
This block brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now.
Ito yung no.
Targeting Fernandez on that service. Bombita. Napayungan ni Blessing Unekwe. The way they're moving right now, much better. Cantada. Coverage was there, keeping that ball in play, but a chance ball. Arasan! Binasag yung block.
Low fast set.
Undeterred that time, Steph Arasan.
Earlier in the first set, you had Poyos, who's an outside hitter, heavily relied on in that first set. But now it's Wahe and Jurado.
Cantada, cross court, and you with a free ball. A chance. UST gets it. Cantada ulit pinuntahan ng NU, and the off-speed attack will work this time.
NU has in Cantada. Hit after hit until she was successful. And she has so much for...
Especially in the series like this, getting game number 1 is important. Sam Cantada this time from
Cantada because she's a lefty.
that play brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart Our Way. Our rules, download the app now. Had 9 points in set number 1. Cantada trying to do has just fell short multiple times. But for their fans, they feel like the time is now. But Arlene Wahe, nicely done. Blessing Unekwe from the middle.
Actually, that was a very simple approach, but she celebration by Coach Shaq. Kasi kanina nakikita natin na kinakabahan ang open hitters ng UST. Pero with that point, hopefully they get their confidence. And there it is.
And sila pa, getting the lead right back. And NU struggling to find some answers. They're down by 1. Escanlar got foiled by the net defense again of UST. Coming back from the 3-point deficit, now in the lead, 16-15.
Well, Coach Shaq is still sticking to his second unit players while Alin Sug is back for the NU Lady Bulldogs for the Golden Tigresses.
This spike brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now. Like schools here.
Jurado, who's usually not receiving, siya actually yung pinaangat ni Coach Shaq.
NU getting an ace.
One
set.
hand.
Oh yeah, one hand set. But
The point goes targeting Cantada.
Alexa Mata converts from the middle. NU closing in this second set. 3:21. Nice serve. Mata was foiled by Marga Altea. Hardyo the pass to Lamina. Bombita asking for a check. She gets it. Poyos with the reception. Saisagula, nakalusot, nakapuntos.
UST showing composure. Perfect pass. Maaya puts it through.
Chamcha Maaya putting in the exclamation point. And nice Nicely done as NU gets this second set 25-23. Brought to you by Shakey's. From era to era to era, the fun keeps rolling. 50 years of fun, family, and pizza at Shakey's.
Pancake save by Pepito, converted into a point.
Interesting.
Very composed and really wanting to get this game with NU. Although they're a seasoned team, medyo nahihirapan sila. But Maaya trying to get back on track for NU.
Hardio with the pass to Lamina. The block by UST once again. This block brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now. 12 points.
Altea, good target.
She actually has been very efficient with her services, Marga Altea. Balingit off the block. Yes, sir.
And that roar of celebration. Definitely just celebrate. That's at least she's not having a hard time adjusting in the Philippines. Balingit with a sharp cross-court hit. Lamina giving it to Cantada, powering through the blockers.
That play was brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart. Our way, our rules. Download the app now. Lamina. Sam Cantada emerging from the shadows. Also in...
You would think that she would give it to Maaya.
This cool play brought to you by R&B Milk Tea. Order now. He has been the one carrying the fight for NU.
A joust could not be kept alive by NU. Altea.
Lams Lamina. Combination play. The explosion.
The Lady Bulldogs. She was silenced in the first set, but here in the third set, welcome. Strong serve. Lamina going to Bombita. Down the line. Getting that point.
This spike brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now. Mike Yabueg and Diana Igual reporting for UST and NU respectively. Unekwe, greatly anticipated by the defense. 19-14. Oh, it's an ace. Tumama doon sa balikat ni Dedet Pepito yung serve na yun.
There.
Another timeout by Coach Shaq. You see there. Clearly
Maaya 1-2 play.
Joust at the net. High ball. Pagkakataon para sa NU. Alinsog. Cross court.
Pepito.
And they get the point. NU opening up their biggest lead. Kailangan trabahuin mo talaga.
And they know how to move on quickly from their mistakes.
Pero nakasungkit ng puntos sa UST.
Pepito with that underhand set.
Maaya is the one picking that ball up. Alinsog down the line.
But Lamina, who was rushing.
6 blocks. Combination play, Red Jurado. And she was able to stay with it. Saisagula, Hardio, just going to work. Isa pang pagkakataon para sa Golden Tigresses. Balingit at the middle, but the denial from NU. Charge for the Lady Bulldogs.
She was definitely the game changer. She brought up the energy, brought up the might with that one big bite.
And just when things weren't working well for NU, it was Chamcha Maaya to the rescue. Time starts off set number 4. Alinsog off speed. Pepito there to retrieve it. Blessing Unekwe. Quick transition play for UST.
Becomes more and more fierce for UST.
On Sigula. Boyos one more time. Boy pang bola. Bombita will just send it across. Free ball for the Golden Tigresses. From the pipe, Saisagula. Hardio doing work from the back. Vanj Alinsog able to get that one through.
Powering through.
Adake, Bombita. And then the playmaking, of course, of Lams Lamina. Booming hit. Angge Poyos continue. Get double-digit blocks.
Well, that would be in the UAAP, if I'm not mistaken.
Angge Poyos, 17. Meanwhile, let's check in.
Before this set, Coach Yanni told the girls, "Wag niyong ayawan." He also pointed out how they have been struggling in the past set in serve.
Poyos had 9 of her 17 points in that set number 1.
High ball, great adjustment by Cantada. Running attack from Altea. What a sharp hit. That's still alive.
Tatawid na lang ni Lams Lamina. UST, chance to pounce. 1-2 play. Carvalho gets that one in. 5.
Maaya once again. Jurado keeping it alive. Now it's a chance ball for NU. They go fast. Maaya with that cross-court hit.
Chamcha Maaya, 13 points for Chamcha Maaya. Chamcha Maaya. This is Vangeline Sog. Sent back to the friend zone. Perfectly timed block and no treads. As they try to force a 5th and deciding set, game number 1 of this best-of-3 finals. NU out of sorts. UST continues to roll. What a play.
Oh no, coming in for Lamina now. A short serve.
Celine Marsh will get it across. Free ball. UST. Unekwe finds a spot. Pepito with the pass. Combination play. Sai Sagula.
That's still good. Hardyo to Marsh.
Celine Marsh off the block. 3 spikers up front for the Golden Tigresses. Vangeline Sog elevates and detonates. Sabi ni Coach Chuck, buhay pa. Siya sumalo.
But great hit from Vange.
Oh, diba?
They go
Celine
to Marsh.
Carvalho, pinuntahan si Angge Poyos, had to adjust.
Good save.
Nice coverage from Abe Pono. Cassie Carvalho.
What a rally from these two teams. Jurado with that drop ball.
Howard Zip from quietly. Reg Jurado with 10 markers. Nandoon para sa UST. NU.
Marsh tries again, but she is blocked. Good coverage from NU. Now it's a chance for the Golden Tigresses with that high ball.
Great saves from both squads. Poyos, she gets the check ball.
But there was a net violation called on NU.
Sam Cantada pounds it in. 15 points for... And here she is. Pepito nonchalantly getting to that first ball.
Making it look so easy, but Maaya with that block still. That's good.
Como si Det really egging on her teammates.
Altea getting her hands on block. And UST pushing it to a 5th set.
Dominant win in set number 4 for UST. We are going to a set number 5. UST is 0-1 in terms of 5-set matches. Talo sila sa UP in their very first match. That was a 5-setter. Kay Bombita earning the nod here. And gets the Mikey Abueg.
As you can see earlier, even after that 2nd and 3rd set loss, Sai Zagula remained positive and still had that smile on her face. And now extending this match.
Good serve. They go to Cantada, cross court. Good save.
Vange picking it up, but no dice on that first ball.
Actually, what's been missing with the NU is their ball control. Masyado na nilang minamadali yung galaw nila.
Pambita. Carvalho To Jurado.
That's still good.
Buhay pa, Sai Sagula keeping that ball alive. Angge not getting it over.
That's still good. Alinsug from the back.
Cassie Carvalho goes to Angge.
Low fast set.
Lamina to Sam Cantada. And the block, courtesy of UST. Maaya. Ball still in play from the pipe. Alinsug. Poyos power tip. Got blocked.
Great defense by Bombita.
They need more of her though. Her production. Vangeline Sog, Marga Altea. Nice coverage by Jurado. Sai Sagula from the left pin. She had to adjust, and she did it, and she scores.
NU has yet to read this variation, this tendency of Sai Sagula.
And galing kay Sai Sagula. From the pipe, Bombita. Chance to counter for UST. Bombita picks it up. From the pipe, Sam Cantada, it will drop.
Cantada with her 18th point of the...
Chows at the net, Alexa Mata. Jurado was there. Gula, such a smart player.
That's a chance ball now for the Golden Tigresses.
UST. They go to Sai Sagula, this time with a lot more power.
Vange Alinsug hits it over.
Oh,
and
Vange.
she gets that point.
She delivers. NU just hanging around.
NU actually trying to keep it slow but steady.
Three spikers up front for NU. You have Alinsug, Bombita, and Alexa up front. But Reg Jurado.
The Chief Justice. Bringing justice to the UST fans.
This goal play is holding steady here. Nice pass from Cantada. Alinsug from the right pin this time. Piling up her total to 9. It's been a quiet night.
In the block.
Cantada and Bombita also there up front. Chance to strike for NU.
Good set, Bombita. Drop ball. That was too high. Pepito reads it well.
Carvalho, pinuntahan si Reg Jurado. Down the line, it goes! This spike is brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now, timeout, National University.
Defending champion, so a lot can still happen. Bombita soaring from the right side.
Poyos from the left pin. NU a chance to counter from the pipe. Vangeline Sog.
That ball is high.
Poyos, di napapaluin yan, itatawid na lang. Isa pang pagkakataon para sa NU. Bombita off the block.
Looks like she's cramping right now, but Bombita with that powerful hit.
Timeout. Poyos the pickup. Oh, it's an ace! How about NU with 3 straight points?
So you can't count them out that easy. Good pass by Gula.
Marga Altea with a running attack attempt. Tumagilid si Poyos. Puntos para sa UST. But Coach Red...
Match.
Let's see here. It's NU that issued that challenge. It's a good one. They get the point. Success is the score.
That's a good pass still. Jurado.
This is Pepito giving it up to Angge Poyos. Jurado wasn't able to chase for it, and NU persevering through the storm and showing the heart of a champion once more. Getting game number 1. See that last point. Poyos got blocked. Cham Maaya again.
Cham Maaya, the game changer of this match.
What a way to close out game number 1.